Segment 2. Understanding Stars. Before watching Understanding Stars, think about this. How many stars may be in the universe? What do you think a star is made of? There are 10 billion trillion stars in the universe. But what exactly are stars? What are they made of? Gas. A star is a mass of hydrogen and helium gas. It produces a tremendous amount of energy that it emits as light and heat. A star forms from a cloud of dust and gas known as a nebula. Gravity pulls on the cloud, causing it to shrink and start spinning. The material in the center of the nebula forms a clump called a protostar. It continues to contract. As it does, the temperature and pressure inside the protostar build. When they get high enough, nuclear reactions among the hydrogen and helium atoms begin in its core, and the protostar becomes a star. The change from protostar to star happens the moment nuclear fusion starts. Because of the intense pressure and temperature inside the protostar, the nuclei of hydrogen atoms collide with great force. They begin to fuse and change. Two hydrogen nuclei fuse to become one helium nucleus. In the process, part of their mass is turned into energy. The star begins to shine and give off heat. In a continuous nuclear reaction, the star converts hydrogen into helium. The only thing that prevents the star from exploding into space is gravity.
There is this delicate balancing act because gravity is always at work trying to crunch the star down into a small point, and the high internal pressures are trying to blow the star up and blow it apart. And for about 90% of the life of the star is in nearly perfect equilibrium. And it just sits there, burning away and producing radiation.
To us, stars appear as individual pinpoints of light. Astronomers believe that what we see as a single star usually is a pair of stars that orbit around each other. Most stars are members of binary or multiple star systems. Stars are like snowflakes. No two are exactly alike. Stars are classified according to their size, surface temperature, and brightness.